Today I'm making a Sichuan boiled fish in red chili oil, 水煮鱼. Tender white fish fillets cooked in a spicy 豆瓣酱 broth with an intense aroma from garlic, chilies, and Sichuan peppercorns infused with hot oil. A dish perfectly complex, intense, yet balanced. 2 elements to master in this dish. 1. Soft and tender fish fillet. 2. A fish broth bursting with flavors. In the region where my grandfather hails from, it's renowned for its Sichuan peppercorn and chili. Sichuan peppercorn aren't true peppercorns. They are the dry husk of seeds found on citrus tree variety native to Sichuan province. Sichuan peppercorn play a pivotal role in crafting some of the most iconic Chinese dishes, including mapo tofu, 辣子鸡丁, and dry pot cauliflower, 干锅菜花. Today, I'm excited to introduce you to one of the classic boiled fish in red chili oil, 水煮鱼. First, fillet the fish on a 45-degree angle and marinate it with salt, white pepper, wine, egg white, and cornstarch for at least 20 minutes. In a wok over high heat, add oil and pan-fry the fish bone until golden brown. Remove the bone and add ginger, garlic, scallions, chili bean paste, and fry until fragrant. Simmer before adding back the fish bone. Add Shaoxing wine, boil water. Let it boil for at least 20 minutes. Strain the solids out for the soup. Blanch the sides. Here I use watercress and potato starch noodle, and add the bean sprouts and watercress, and transfer the sides to a serving dish. Heat up the soup and place the fish fillet one by one and boil everything. Once the fish turn opaque, it's done. Pour the soup and fish over the vegetables. Sprinkle dry chili peppers, Sichuan peppercorn, cumin powder, and pour the hot oil over them. And garnish with coriander and sesame seeds. Here you have it. Not only is this dish addictively tasty, but it also represents friendship, gathering, and celebration. It's one of those must-have dishes when I hang out with friends and family who want something slightly fancy. This recipe is down in the comment section. Happy cooking!